I'm deeply concerned with the outbreak that we're seeing of measles, and frankly, we're seeing a lot of illness that was almost rendered non-existent starting to come back.
Federal Health Minister Mark Holland at a news conference Monday reacting to the increase in cases of the measles. Ontario, Quebec, and British Columbia are just the latest provinces to report cases of the virus.
I definitely think there is the potential that we're going to see more cases.
Dr. Jacqueline Wong, a staff physician and pediatrics professor at McMaster University, says as people gear up to travel for spring break, they should check if their family has been vaccinated against the measles.
Over the course of the pandemic, especially here in Canada and worldwide, there were lapses in some of the vaccinations, especially when it came to children.
Here in Manitoba, the province says they are prepared to deal with any new cases of the measles. The last time the virus was reported in Manitoba was 2019, which the same could have been said about British Columbia till Monday. The province is advising parents to check their children's immunization records and say by age 2, a child should receive a dose of the MMRV vaccine, while by the age of 7, they should have received 2.
They're susceptible people here at home. And when a case of measles is imported back, it's very, very contagious.
Manitoba has been seeing declining vaccination rates of those receiving the MMRV vaccine. In 2021, about 82% of 2-year-olds were vaccinated against measles. That number dropped to about 78% in 2022. About 72% of 7-year-olds in 2021 were vaccinated against the virus, but in 2022, that number falling to around 68%.
I think that what we see are people going, oh, another one. So they know that they work, but we do have to remind people that they are still an important part and a necessary part of public health.
Dr. Wong says if you are planning to vacation in a location that currently is dealing with the measles, to speak with a healthcare provider.
You might be eligible to get an additional dose or one of the doses early in the setting of, there are outbreaks of measles around the world, depending on where you're traveling to, depending on how long you're traveling for.
In Winnipeg, Djan, City News.